This is our lesson on substitution. We use substitution when we're trying to find the intersection of two lines. So we have a system of equations. Our first equation is x equals 2y plus 3. Our second equation is 2x plus y equals 26. And we use substitution when we have one variable all by itself in one of our equations. So in this case, x is all by itself in the first equation. So we're going to use substitution. We know that 2y plus 3 is equal to x. So we're going to take x out of the second equation and put in something that's the same as x, that's equal to x. And that would be 2y plus 3. So we take the x out. We still have 2 times, but in place of x we're putting 2y plus 3. And then the rest of our equation is the same, plus y equals 26. So notice the only thing that changed was the x. We took the x out, we put in the 2y plus 3. Then we distribute the 2. 2 times 2y is 4y, 2 times 3 is 6. Plus y equals 26. Subtract 6 from both sides and combine our y terms, and we have 5y equals 20. Divide both sides by 5 and y equals 4. Remember though, if we're solving for the intersection of two lines, we need an x value and a y value. So we're going to take our y value and we're going to plug it back into one of the original equations. Remember though, we're solving for x, so it's probably going to be easier if we plug it into the first equation. So x equals 2 times 4 plus 3. 2 times 4 is 8, and 8 plus 3 is 11. So our answer, x is 11, y is 4. We can check our answer by plugging it back into the other equation that we didn't use. 2 times 11 is 22, plus 4 is 26, so our answer is correct. You might be faced with something like this where it's not quite as obvious what to do. We have 3y minus 2x equals 8 and y plus 4 equals 2x. Now really we could do this a couple of different ways. We could subtract the 4 over to the other side and then substitute in 2x minus 4 for y, because we would have y all by itself. Or what we could do is we could divide both sides by 2, so we had x all by itself. But in this case, we have 2x equals this stuff, and in the first equation, we have 2x. So if we know that 2x equals y plus 4, let's just take the 2x out of the first equation, put y plus 4 in instead. So we have 3y minus, and then in parentheses, y plus 4 equals 8. Distribute the negative, we have 3y minus y minus 4 equals 8. Add 4 to 8 and we get 12. 3y minus y is 2y, so we have 2y equals 12. Divide both sides by 2 and y equals 6. Again, we need to solve for x as well, so we take 6 and we plug it back into one of the equations for y. If we plug it into the second one this time, we have 6 plus 4 equals 2x. 6 plus 4 is 10, so 10 equals 2x. Divide by 2, x equals 5. So our answer is 5, 6. And again, we can check our answer by plugging those back into the equation we didn't use, so the top equation. 3y, so 3 times 6 is 18, minus 2x, so 2 times 5 is 10. 18 minus 10 is 8. So our answer is correct.